Overhaul is a term commonly used to describe a process of significant restructuring, renovation, or transformation. It implies a comprehensive and thorough effort to improve or modify something, often with the goal of enhancing efficiency, functionality, or overall performance. In various contexts, the concept of overhaul can be applied to different areas, such as systems, organizations, infrastructure, or even personal development. The specific nature of an overhaul depends on the particular domain it is being applied to. In the context of systems or processes, an overhaul refers to a comprehensive review and revamping of existing practices. This can involve reevaluating workflows, protocols, and procedures to identify areas of inefficiency or bottlenecks. An overhaul aims to streamline operations, eliminate redundancies, and implement changes that result in improved productivity and effectiveness. Organizational overhaul typically refers to a restructuring of an entire company or institution. It involves reassessing the organizational structure, hierarchy, and operations to ensure alignment with strategic goals. An organizational overhaul may involve changing reporting relationships, reallocating resources, redefining roles and responsibilities, and implementing new policies or procedures. Infrastructure overhaul relates to significant modifications or upgrades to physical structures or systems. This can include renovations, expansions, or replacements of buildings, roads, transportation networks, or utilities. An infrastructure overhaul aims to modernize and improve existing infrastructure to meet the changing needs of society, enhance safety, and optimize functionality. On a personal level, an overhaul can refer to a deliberate and conscious effort to make substantial changes in one's life. This may involve reevaluating personal goals, values, habits, and relationships. A personal overhaul often entails self-reflection, introspection, and taking proactive steps towards personal growth, self-improvement, and well-being. Regardless of the specific context, an overhaul requires a comprehensive assessment of the current state, identification of areas for improvement, and a well-thought-out plan for implementing changes. It often involves a collaborative effort, as multiple stakeholders may need to be involved in the process. Overhauls can be driven by various factors, such as changes in technology, shifts in societal needs, financial considerations, or a desire for innovation and progress. While overhauls can be disruptive and challenging, they have the potential to bring about significant positive transformations and drive continuous improvement. In summary, an overhaul represents a comprehensive and thorough process of restructuring, renovating, or transforming something with the aim of improving its functionality, efficiency, or overall performance. Whether applied to systems, organizations, infrastructure, or personal development, overhauls require careful planning, evaluation, and the willingness to embrace change for the sake of improvement.